Hello mga kapatid, so it's time for my cooking day and recipes again to share with you all. So today I'm cooking my favorite noodles here. So actually, lagi ko tong, hindi naman palagi. Minsan, kapag trip kong kumain ng spicy, so I buy this kind of noodles na spicy. It's a Chinese noodles. So famous to sa mga noodles guys, ito. So yung ganitong noodles. So it's called glass noodles siya. And then it's so yummy guys. It's very easy. Then you add vegetables para mas more yummy siya. Kasi may ano na din yan siya. May vegetables na din siya kasi may ano yan siya. May pickled vegetables. Yung preserved vegetables na ilalagay. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung may leafy vegetables. So you just need to boil water. Then you add noodles first. And then before you add the sauce. Kasi kapag inuna nyo yung yung sauce, so kapag binoil mo kasi super duper spicy na siya. So napaka-spicy na din nga nito. So tapos dagdagan mo pa ng spicy, di malala na talaga yun. So after nun, ilagay nyo yung noodles, preserved vegetables muna, tapos ilagay nyo yung sauce. Paglagay nyo ng sauce, i-boil nyo ng medyo pataga until it becomes soft yung noodles nyo. And then after nyan maging soft, then you can add some of the seasonings na din na hindi nyo pa inailagay. And then you need to add the vegetables. So pag add yun ng vegetables, ayun na, napakadali lang. Let's add vegetables and then the chicharon and peanut from this packet. So ganito guys, ganyan lang yung paluto. Add vegetables and then covered it, then open, and that's it. Meron na kayong yummy, spicy noodles na may Chinese noodles. Pero ito guys ay, syempre, ano to siya, binili ko na yung noodles na may mga sauce. Hindi ko siya ginawa. Pero I can make like this sauce also. Napaka-easy lang guys. You need to chop some chili. And you have this chicharon and peanuts. So that's it. So easy. So yun lang guys, ang spicy noodles recipe. And thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always.